It's training time at Body Sculpt Studios Face and Body Academy.
So, how am I going to do this?
I guess you're on that side, so you're gonna come from this side that way.
And what am I going to do? And am I going to do circles?
You're gonna start in circles, but then you're gonna start pulling from this side.
Can I really do a circle here?
Oh, I thought you was gonna go around the belly button. Okay.
Oh, okay. So, you can do circles with cavitation, but I don't do circles with cavitation. I do a more effective treatment with cavitation, but I gotta look at the area that I have to work with, the size of my device, okay, and how I'm gonna be able to move it without hitting the bone. Cavitation weakens the bone, okay? So, now of course, one treatment is not going to weaken the bone, but I'm just, if you keep these things in mind, you'll know what to do when you are doing a session. So, I want you to make sure yours is down.
Right here?
Yeah, make sure it's down. Reduce the swelling here. She has some swelling here too.
You got some gel on this side. I want to capture it.
Up. Crisscross around and up.
Oh, you're on the phone.